respected seniors, and dear friends, we have assembled here today to mourn the demise of Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Arunachalam, former acting Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, and the Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Natarajan, former Judge of the Madras High Court. Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Arunachalam was born on 19th July 1935 at Ponneri near Chennai. After completing his undergraduation at National College, Tiruchirappalli, he joined the Madras Law College, and after completing his law graduation, got enrolled as an advocate in the year 1956. The Honorable Judge joined the chambers of the legendary Rangasamy Iyengar, a doyen in the criminal side, who was then the state public prosecutor. During his practice as an advocate, his lordship was associated with late Sri Mohan Kumar Mangalam, Sri V.L. Echiraj, and Sri Rajagopalacharyar. On 29 July 1987, his lordship was designated as a senior advocate by the High Court of Madras. As all of us know, the Honorable Judge had a lucrative practice both in the trial as well as appellate side in all criminal matters. Full stop. The Honorable Judge also appeared in number of cases before the Honorable Supreme Court before his elevation, and was also associated with Sri Ram Jethmalani in number of cases. He was elevated as a judge of the Madras High Court on 14th August 1988. He was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of the Madras High Court nearing his retirement, and the Honorable Judge retired in the year 1996. After retirement in the year 1996, he shifted to New Delhi and picked up busy and lucrative practice in the criminal industry. He had the blessings of Pitamaha of Indian Bar, Sri K. Parasaran, senior advocate and former Attorney General for India. He was engaged in variety of criminal matters involving intricacies, including the Bihar forest camp case. Short of time, built extensive practice before the Honorable Supreme Court. However, in the years that followed, the Honorable Judge felt that he had something more than lucrative practice, and he was guided in thought and spirit by his preceptor, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, the mystic from Tiruvannamalai. Being a true devotee, he responded to the clarion call of Yogi Ram Surat Kumar and returned in 1998, leaving behind a busy and lucrative practice at Delhi. After 2010, the Honorable Judge had some health setbacks, but however, chose to remain active. He passed away on 22nd July 2020 after a brief illness. We pray his soul may attain eternal peace and the family members get strength to get over the grief of this untimely loss. Honorable Justice K.M. Natarajan was born in the year 1932 in Kalangani village, Salem district. He did his schooling at Board High School, Tiruchengood, and completed his undergraduation at National College, Tiruchirappalli in the year 1951. Later, he joined the Madras Law College and completed his law degree in the year 1953. After completing his law graduation, he joined as an apprentice in the office of late Sri A. Sankara Mudaliar, a leading lawyer of Salem Bar. Honorable Justice K.M. Natarajan had a lucrative practice both in criminal and civil side in Salem district. He then started practice at Madras High Court, where he appeared along with Sri Mohan Kumar Mangalam in number of cases. In the year 1993, he was appointed as a judge of the Madras High Court. The Honorable Judge, as all of us know, be patient in hearing the cases, courteous approach to the bar, more particularly to the youngsters. The Honorable Judge was always adopting a relief-oriented approach to the cases, to all the cases before him. He passed away on 11 September 2020 after the Honorable Judge retired on 11/3/1994. He passed away on 11 September 2020 after brief illness. We pray his Lordship's soul may attain eternal peace and the family members get strength to get over the grief of this untimely loss. As a mark of respect to the two departed souls, we will observe 2 minutes silence. Mute. All of you, please mute. We have to observe 2 minutes silence.
பெரிய ஸ்கிரீன் போயிடுச்சு. 2 minutes ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். நானா 2 minutes சைலன்ஸா?
Thank you. We thank all the members for having participated in the, at short notice. Also thank Justice Balaji for having participated. The Secretary will communicate the condolence message to the two families. Thank you.